Welcome back. Today is our fourth class in the AI training series. We are going to do something very exciting. We will learn to install the Python, which is the main programming language used in AI. Then we will learn about machine learning and types of data used to teach the machine how to learn. So our second step is what is the Python? Python is a simple programming language. It is used in AI, data science, web development, automations, and more. Think of it like a language you use to talk to computer. How to install Python? I will write the link of the Python installation website in my commit section so you can download from there, or you double click and download it. Click on download and the website will detect our computer systems is a Windows, Mac or Linux. Click to the yellow download Python's XXX version button and run the installer. Click the download file. Important to tick the box that says add Python to path and then click install now. Wait for the installation to complete for 2 to 3 minutes. When it is done, then close it. Test the Python in your command prompt from the window terminal. From the window run, you go to the command terminal, type the pythons and press enter. If you see the 3 angle bracket, that means the Python is installed. Now we need to install few classes or few API. Let's say the Jupyter notebook. So open the terminal or command prompt and type the pipe install notebook, then run it by typing it Jupyter notebook. In part 3, today we will explore what is the machine learning. In machine learning is when a computer learn from the data like student learn from examples. So the machine learning is the learning of the computer, how the computer learn from the data. So you don't need to give the computer step by step instruction. Instead of, you give it data and it will learn pattern by itself. Types of the machine learning. There are the several types of the machine learning. We will explore few types here. The first is the supervised learning. Think of a teacher giving the student the right answer first. The computer is trained on labeled data, the already is correct answer. Example, input of a cat, output is the cat. The machine learns from these correct labels. Used for email spam detections, image recognitions, predicting prices. Unsupervised learning, now no teacher, just student trying to find pattern on their own. The computer is given unlabeled data, no correct answer. It groups the data into the cluster by similarity. Example, you give 100 picture to the machine, it groups them all, cats in one group, dogs in another group, without knowing what they are. Used for market segmentations, recommender system like YouTube and Netflix. Reinforcement learning, this is a third type of the learning, like training a pet or playing a game. The computer learns from the trial and error. It gives reward to correct actions and penalties for wrong actions. For example, the robot learned to walk. If it fails, no reward. If it walk, it gets points. Used for the self-driving car, game playing, AI like chess, video game. Recap of the today class. Let's remember what we have learned, how to install Python, what is the machine learning, and 3 types of the machine learning: supervised data, unsupervised data, and reinforcement data. So this was our today class, and in next class we will see few more example in detail. How do we use the AI agent, and how do we get the benefit of the AI agent in our personal life and in our business. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.